I figure if I search for a plumbing-based SEO company, whoever comes up first is probably the best at plumbing SEO. I mean, they're obviously pretty good at SEO if they're the first one to come up. So up here, so I started October 15th. You can see the top to May 2nd now. Calls are up 532. So I had 3,074 calls over the same amount of days previous. I only got obviously 2,500 calls, so I'm up 532 calls, up 163 leads, up 169 book calls. Revenue's up 179,000. Sold jobs up 59. There's your real numbers to my website.
Hey, it's Nolan, owner here at Plumbing Webmasters and DataPins. I'm here with a case study from Ryan, one of our many plumbing clients. He said he found us by searching plumbing SEO on Google, and we popped up first. You can also ask ChatGPT or Google's Gemini who's the best, and we also come up. Here's Ryan. He'll tell you more about his experience using DataPins and how it helped boost his company in search rankings and grow his revenue.
Okay, my name is Ryan Ruck. I've started my plumbing business in 2009. My plumbing company is located out of Murrieta, California. My main problem with my previous SEO company was I don't think it was really working very well after 8 years, in that I wasn't seeing organic results nor maps listing results. And now I'm actually seeing us I am seeing us some more places now since I have started with you guys than I would see before. And my prior company would send me spreadsheets with all these keywords and where our rank is, and I'm like, well, I don't see what your spreadsheet shows. So
From what I see, at least, we're getting more calls come in.
calls are up 532. So I had 3,074 calls over the same amount of days previous. I only got obviously 2,500 calls, so I'm up 532 calls, up 163 leads, up 169 book calls. Revenue's up 179,000. Sold jobs up 59. There's your real numbers to my website. The rate of return on it is definitely exponential. The more you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it.
I would say just because I'm doing it as 13 guys are closing, as they're closing the job, I'm doing it. It takes 3 to 4 minutes. So if I can do it with a blink of an eye, then so can everybody else. It's easy. It's not hard. It's super easy. I mean, your mom has done it a couple of times.
Oh, my mom doesn't even know how to turn on a computer.
Yeah, she can't even maneuver a computer, and she can do it.
All right, guys, need some help ranking at the top of Google and AI search organically to get more calls from your plumbing business? DataPins will change the game for you. We've been doing this for 15 years and helped hundreds of plumbers successfully in their search areas. DataPins is our own proprietary software. We developed it. It's not found anywhere else, at least not in a form that actually works. We combine DataPins with our SEO expertise to help you dominate your service area organically so you don't need to rely on expensive paid ads. DataPins is so easy, anyone can do it. It only takes a few seconds after each job, and it'll have tremendous effect on your Google and AI search rankings. Have questions or want to learn more? Let's get the conversation started. Click the link below, fill out the short form, and I will personally give you a call in the next 24 hours. Talk to you soon.